Welcome back to my channel. Just update at the property. Got all the cars lined up except my 34 and Lino's 34, and I have a Mark II. But today I just came to pick up my S15 Spec R. So I just thought of putting a T on this since Lino's car's not ready yet. Still gotta go get inspection. So I always wanted to put T on this car, and size and tire size is perfect. It's similar to what it is on this. So I'm gonna take it home and swap it out and see how it looks on T on this.どう？T を奪われたこと。
泥棒。
でもかっこいいじゃん。
ねえやだ、ほんと貸してるだけだから。ねえ。貸してるだけだから。
あのホイールかっこいいよ。
ねえ本当にずるい。いやリンノが買ってるからこれ。みんな聞いて、リンノが買ってるから。
もう払い戻したから平気。まあここにあるから大丈夫だよ、安全ね。We are on the way to get a PCR test for coronavirus. I'm going to stay in 2 days, and they require PCR test, negative result PCR test that you took within 72 hours before your departure flight. So I'll get tested today and getting the result tomorrow and getting on flight next day. I'm going to stay just to get a travel document since I'm a permanent resident in the United States and not a citizen yet. So I have to do visa stuff and follow a bunch of rules. Unfortunately, Lino's not going this time, but I'm just going there for a few months. But I'll be staying at Josh's. So the next video is gonna be in Cali. Probably working on working on my 240 and go drifting in my 240. It's been a minute since I drove left-hand drive. I hate getting PCR test. Oh, is it nasal? They're gonna stick nasal test. But when I come back, we're gonna build her 34 with some cool wheels and arrows. So we're excited and stay tuned for that. I upgraded the security at the property and making sure no one's gonna steal my cars or mess with it. Japan's pretty safe, but you never know. And I still have rooms at the property, so if you want to get cars in store, I can do that. Even if I'm in state, I'm able to get a car, source out a car, buy a car, get delivered to my property. So feel free to hit me up on Instagram if you're looking to get a car or store. On the way to hospital for my PCR test. Just got done PCR test. It was painful. Wish I could film, but we're on the way home. Stopped at this restaurant. She wanted to get acai bowl, so we'll get some acai bowl before we head back. Look how happy she is.
Man.
So the properties right now, we're gonna get wall built here, so you can't see anything inside. Only cars missing is my 34 and Mark II, but 180's here, 33's here. Took wheels off from this and we put it on. Didn't know it's 34. Got Cresta back here. I made little steps here. Cresta in the bamboo forest. I made a little path for gravel. Josh's Chaser. We're shipping it in December. And one of my customers, Varietta, storing it for a little bit. I'll be able to park about 6 more cars, so feel free to message me, DM me if you're looking to get a car in store or just to get a car. I'll be more than happy to help you import a car. Lino's 34 and mine 34. Can't wait to have this all 4-door GTR look on this. So we just came back from lunch and gave him my ticket. He just pushed a button over there. Here's the Mark II. This is underground, by the way. Underground parking structure. And cargo's everywhere. They're even up here. We just had a lunch before my flight. I'm driving to the airport. Lino's gonna take me and off to state. I'll insert a picture of our lunch from my Instagram story since I didn't film. But it was bomb. Nothing like it. I won't be able to taste this in state, so I had to go. It's real ramen. No ramen for a few months. A whole bunch of burritos and tacos. So I'll see you guys in state. Just arrived to LAX. LA. Waiting for Josh is supposed to come pick me up. He is on his way. He'll be here in a few minutes. Good to be back.
We just realized you don't have enough room to pick you up.
Jesus.
Back.
Do I have to get in the trunk?
Yeah, you got a luggage on your